Welcome back, guys. Here we'll try to understand some more concept of finally. So when you look at this program example number 16, what you have here is you have a main method. Inside the main method, this guy will give you the exceptions. Okay, it will give you arithmetic exceptions. So when you get the exceptions there, you have handling for that. Yes, so your program will not terminate, it will go inside this arithmetic exceptions catch block, and your program will not terminate. But after catch you have a finally. After catch you have a finally. In finally also you are getting that arithmetic exceptions here, right? Then when you get the exceptions in the finally block, will other line will get executed? No. This also no, this also no. These two line will not get executed. So when you have the exceptions in the finally, the other line will not. But we don't, in general we don't write code like this. We don't write any code which will throw exceptions in the finally also. In practice we don't do that. So when you run this here program, see here, exceptions came here 9 by 0. Okay, it came to this particular catch block. As you can see that you are getting printed here, right? Number should not be divided by 0, it is getting printed, right? Then in line number 12 you have the exceptions. So when you click on 12, where the line number 12 in the finally block, right? So when exceptions came here, this line did not get executed, it directly went to the catch block. It has the particular handler, it went to that, this line got executed, then it came to the finally. Finally also is giving exceptions here, then these two line did not get executed. Simple. So when you have the exceptions in the finally block also, the remaining piece of code will not get executed. Okay, now let's see that example number 17. This is interesting example. Okay, you know that in Java return type I have covered very beginning when we had the oops concept. Okay, so when you look at here, this guy will not give you any exceptions. Okay, this guy will not give you any exceptions, it will work fine, this will work fine. Then you have a return. The return means you are saying that the compiler do the task, if there is no exceptions come back. Okay, come back. Then when you have a try, of course there should be catch. Okay, you have a catch for handling the arithmetic exceptions. But one more thing, look at here, you have a return here also, and then you have a finally block. Now will the finally will get executed? That is the important questions. Will the finally will get executed here? Yes, even though you have the return in the try, your finally will always get executed. See here, this is finally block, always get executed. Now after finally you have this code, hello Java, will this get executed? Let's see that. No, no. Why? Because you have a return statement here. When you don't have return here, now the output will be different. Now everything will get executed. It will not go to the catch, but your finally and your outside finally will get executed. This is the difference here. You can see that. So your line number 8 got executed. Num is nothing but 9. Then it went to the finally because there was no exceptions, and then after finally there was piece of code, all three is getting executed. But when you have a return in the try, and even though you have thousands lines of code, okay guys, first of all, after catch you have a finally block, you cannot write any code in between, you cannot. Similarly after try you cannot write code and then catch. Okay, you will get the compile time, this is not allowed. So I cannot write code here. I cannot write code here, but yes, I can write after that. Okay, so no matter how many lines of code you have, if you have the return type in the method, in the try, it will return from here itself. None of the line will get executed, but when you don't have return, the output would be different. Now if I run that, look at here, the output is different. Okay, so somebody will ask you in the interview, if there is a return in the try, will your finally will get executed? You say that yes, finally will always get executed. Okay, now with this I am done with try catch, type of exceptions, and the hierarchy of exceptions. In next video we will see that some more concept of the exceptions handling chapter. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this.